Have you ever heard the classic game called Snake? The player controls a snake, which roams around, picking up food items, trying to avoid hitting his own tail or the walls. Each time the snake eats a piece of food, its tail grows longer, making the game increasingly difficult. The user can control the direction of the snake's head, up, down, left, and right. In this series, I will show you how to build a simple snake game with TypeScript. By the end of this project, you will understand better and write JavaScript class using TypeScript while organized and a more structured manner. First step, open the Windows terminal. Create a new folder named 01 or any name you prefer. Type command cd following by folder name to change current path. Running command npm init-y. It will create a package.json file and set up a new npm package. Later, we will add new third-party node packages for our project. Next, run command tsc --init to generate tsconfigure.json file. Let's look into this tsconfigure.json file. Open it in Visual Studio Code Editor. There are a few options we need to pay attention. Targets equals ES 2016. This option will make sure TypeScript commands will compile TypeScript code into ES6 syntax. Roots dir set value equals $src. This option will specify the root folder within the source files. Out dir set value equals $dist. This option will specify an output folder. It can be used for deployment in the future. Now go back to Code Editor. Create a folder named src under root path. We will put all the source code here. Inside the src folder, create 3 files. First one is index.html. Second one is app.ts. The third one is style.less. Some people may ask why we use style.less file rather than style.css regular style sheets. Because .less is a CSS compiler similar to SAS CSS compiler. It has great features and power to write clean and organized style sheet code. Now we have the source file ready, but how can we run it? Here we need a module bundler tool to compile our source file into something the browser can run. The bundle tool we are using is called Parcel.js. Let's check Parcel.js documentation. Here is how we install the Parcel node package. Run command npm install --save -dev parcel. Keep scroll down to the HTML template code. Copy and paste into the index.html file and make a few updates. We also copy the style.css and app.js template code into style.less and app.ts files. Go to the page section, package script, and copy-paste the code for package.json file. Now open the terminal window. Run command apm start to start our project. It seems we have some problems here. Go back to index.html file, fix the typo. Parcel.js built the project successfully. It also starts the local server, HTTP localhost, port 1234. Open it in the browser. Seems everything works well. This is the basic setup for our project so far. Next chapter, we will talk about how to plan our simple snake game.